Yo, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make cracked versions of games less annoying to have to open and do it every time. So let me just show you what I mean if you don't even understand the concept of this video. So say for example I have people playground. I use people playground. What the Okay, I don't know what's happening here. But anyways, so for example, if I have people playground, you're gonna be like if I like if for example it's in the desktop. Okay, that's gonna take too long. But for example, if it's in the desktop, like here is what I mean. So basically, you just want to find the application file in whatever in the folder you got for the cracked version. I can't show you how to get the cracked version that I have right now because YouTube won't allow me to. I tried once, but that only stayed up for like less than a month. Way less than a month. Anyways, so you want to right click people playground. I'm on Windows 11 right now, so it's gonna show some less options. But for Windows 10 users, it look like this. But you could do it on Windows 10 and 11. I haven't tried Windows 6 or something. Anyways, you want, wait, no. So you go to wherever, you first have to go to wherever you want the shortcut basically to go. I'd choose the desktop. We have people playground. So you want to do show more options. You want to right click on an empty space here and then click show more options if you're on Windows 11. If you're on Windows 10, just don't do anything for that. Then you want to go to new, and then you want to go to shortcut. Click shortcut, and then you just click browse. Then you have to find wherever the the wherever the cracked game is. So I'm just gonna go to, let me find it. Downloads, open downloads. I found the cracked version. Open the cracked version and find the application. Click the application, click OK. Then next. Then all you want to do is just name the shortcut. I'll usually just change it to the name of the actual application. And right now it's people playground too because oh, oh because I have it right here already. Anyways, create shortcut. Then you just click finish. As you can see, pops up right in your desktop or wherever you have it. For me, I put it in the desktop So, yep, it's come up here. Right now, I don't need it, so I'm just gonna delete it. But here's one I already did before. Just wanna open it. It'll run. Takes a couple of seconds for my computer, I don't know why, but it will pop up in a couple of years. Yeah, as you can see, my computer is getting slower because, yeah, me running it in the background, basically. So I can't really run recycle it, but it's working. Background processes, I'm pretty sure it would be in background processes. It's gonna take way too long to find it. Yeah, but it does work, I'm not joking. I hate this. Anyway, see, it's popping up. It takes a long time on my computer for some reason. Probably because it's a bit old. I should have not done that. Anyways. So yeah, that's just how you do it. People play on this glitchy.